The head is the top part of your body. It holds your brain, eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. Everything important for thinking and seeing and hearing is in the head. The word head is pronounced hd. Face. The face is the front part of the head. It is what people see first when they look at you. Your eyes, nose, mouth, and expressions all appear on the face. The word face is pronounced face. Hair. Hair grows on top of the head from the scalp. It can be long or short, straight or curly, black or brown or blonde. Hair protects the head from the sun and keeps us warm. The word hair is pronounced hair. Forehead. The forehead is the flat area on your face between your eyebrows and hairline. When you think hard, you put your hand on your forehead. It is also where sweat appears first on hot days. Forehead is pronounced forehead. Eyebrow. Eyebrows are the lines of hair that grow above your eyes. They protect your eyes from sweat dripping down your forehead. Eyebrows also help show emotions like surprise or anger. Eyebrow is pronounced eyebrow. Eyebrows. Eyebrows is the plural form of eyebrow. Most people have two eyebrows, one above each eye. They move when you make facial expressions. When you raise your eyebrows, it shows surprise or interest. Eyebrows is pronounced eyebrows. Review time. Here are the 5 important words we learned. Head, face, hair, forehead, and eyebrow. Practice these words every day. Point to each part on your face as you say the words. You are doing great learning English body parts.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.